Are you ready to attract more money and abundance into your life right now? Let's get started. Hi there, everyone. Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are pumped up. We're talking about abundance and money. And we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. You know, to a lot of people, money is an elusive energy. They don't quite understand it. They see a paycheck and they look at it and they go, well, that isn't enough. You know what I'm talking about, right? But money is a easy to understand energy. Money is energy. Once you understand the energy, you'll be able to match up to it and attract as much money into your life as you need, or even better yet, as you desire. So number one, set clear intentions about the amount of money that you desire. Know how much money you'd like to pull into your life and always allow for increase. In other words, say that you want to pull $1,000 in, allow for $1,500. Allow for $2,000. In other words, what I like to do is simply say $1,000 or even more. $1,000 or even more. That's so important because what you're doing is you're allowing the infinite field of potential to match where you are really at. And you may be at $5,000. You may be at $100,000. So allow for increase. Secondly, act as if. In other words, when you get your bills, are you sitting there sweating and worrying, what am I going to do about these bills? Or do you just take a deep breath and say, money is too easy to come by. Money is flowing to me easily. Act as if you have the money. I'm not telling you to go out and spend money that you don't have. I'm telling you to feel, that's the key word there, feel as if you already have the money in your possession. Oh, it feels good. I like it. I like a nice thick wallet. How about you? Number three, believe you deserve money. Now this could have been number one on my list because so many people believe that they don't deserve money, or they believe that the desire for money is bad, that it's wrong. You deserve wealth. You deserve abundance. You deserve money. And you need to believe that. You need to affirm that on a regular basis until every cell in your body, until every molecule in your body, in your energy field, is vibrating, I deserve money. Well, number four is an interesting one. It's called giving away money. Okay, look, when you hoard money, you kind of send out a message to the universe that there's a limited supply. And the truth of the matter is there's an unlimited supply of money in the universe. So many years ago, I was working for a company and I worked for them and I would save money. I would work for them and save money. Work for them, making a lot of money, saving a lot of money. It was a construction company. And one day, all of a sudden, something changed. I began to attract something else. Because all of a sudden, I was taking money out of my savings account. Money was not coming in. 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 8 weeks, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. No money. Living on savings. Finally, I was down to about $100. I went to bed that night I was sweating. I didn't know how I was going to pay the rent. I didn't know how I was going to make my car payment. I was nervous. You ever been there? If you have, you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, I went to bed that night and I had a dream. And in the dream, I was told to give away $7 bills to 7 people who deserved the money. So I took the day off. I went downtown. I was living in Seattle at the time, and I went to the homeless area, and I found people that were really struggling. I mean, had some bad breaks, had attracted some real negative stuff in their life. And I bought them lunch. I bought them a hot dog and a Coke and fries. I think it was $1.50. And then I gave them the dollar bill. I did that 7 times. I felt good. I felt great. But I also felt a little lighter, if you know what I mean, in my wallet. Anyway, I got in my car and my pager went off. Yes, pager. And I pulled over to the phone booth. Yes, phone booth. And I called my boss and I said, "What is it?" And he says, "I have a lead for you. I don't think it's very good, but do you want to check it out?" And I said, "Sure, I'll go there." So I went to this house. Oh, the house is on a bad neighborhood, broken down cars all over the place. The house was peeling paint. Windows were broken. Knocked on the door. Old guy came to the door wearing a wife beater t-shirt. And I said, "Am I in the right place here?" And he said, "Yeah." He said, "You're the guy that does the remodeling, right?" And I said, "Yes, that's who I am." And he says, "Well, I'd like to get this fixed and this fixed and this fixed and this fixed." And I said, "Okay." I totaled it all up. And I said, "Well, you know, sir, that's going to come to just over $20,000. Don't hit me." And he smiled. He said, "Okay, I got the money in my bedroom. I'll go get it for you." He got the $20,000, came back to me, gave it to me. I wrote him a receipt. I took off, gave it to my boss. My boss said, "Well, I might as well pay you your commission right now." And he paid me, listen to this, $7,000. That was my commission on that remodeling job. $7,000. I gave away 7 $1 bills earlier in the day. Later in the day, I pulled in one sale that put $7,000 in my pocket. You can do the same. Don't wait till you have money. I hear people all the time, "When I win the lottery, Robert," or "when I get more money." No, I was busted. I was broke ass. And I gave away money and bought people lunch. You can do the same. Give away money because you're sending a message to the universe that there's an ample supply of money and that you trust the universe. Next, stop spending and start circulating. You know, this whole idea of spending money, buying things, think in terms of circulating money rather than spending money. And when you think of circulating it, think in terms of I'm sending money out and it's coming back with a whole bunch of its friends. It's coming back 3-fold, 7-fold, 10-fold, 1,000-fold. Circulate money and invest money. Get in the habit of using those 2 words, circulating and investing. And get in the habit of visualizing every time you buy something. Get in the habit of seeing the money going out and later on coming back with a whole bunch of friends. Next on my list is emotionalize money. Money is energy. It's good energy. It's like love, or it's like healing. It's like happiness. It can be a wonderful energy to emotionalize. Emotionalize every bit of money in your life. If you go through your pockets at the end of the day and you've got 15 cents, oh yeah, I got 15 cents. Emotionalize it. If you find a quarter on the ground, oh yeah, I just found money. Money just coming to me. The more you emotionalize it, the more you attract. Because your emotions are what connect with the infinite field of potential and help you match up and attract more of what you truly desire. Finally, last but not least, is gratitude. Be grateful for all the money you have and all the money that is coming your way. Oh, I'm grateful for all this money. I love this money. I'm grateful for it. Be excited about money. Be grateful for it. Set clear intentions. Give it away. And in no time, you're going to be writing me saying, Robert, guess what? I want to give you some money. Just kidding. You keep your money, invest it, give it to those in need. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure and share it with your friends on Facebook and around the net, and have a great, and why do you want to share it? Because we want everybody to have more money. Have a great day. You deserve it. Bye-bye.